Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings and you will enter. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of TikTok and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok. And then you can update your app if you find the update here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.